Welcome to Jones Middle School.
All right, so what is our learning target again? I'm going to read it real quick. We read it in the beginning, but you want to go ahead and read it?
I can apply facts about angles to create and solve
Equations, yes.
for unknown angles in multi-step problems.
In multi-step problems. So that means that when there's multi-step, that means there's more than what?
One.
Okay, so here, we have here, guys. Look over here. We know, look at, this is my protractor, right? If I put my protractor right here, I know that this straight line equals what?
180.
180. So I know, what it's asking me is, can I use equations? G plus H is going to equal to 180. Correct? So now, let me move this over here. For B, which G plus H, which one of these?
3. No. Wait, which number did we, no,
Like what, this G plus H, which one of these matches the equation on the left right here?
one.
Okay, great. All right. Now here, I know that this whole thing for D, look here guys. It's G plus H plus 48 is going to equal to what?
180.
180. So I'm going to put like this. G plus H plus 48 is equal to 180. So this is what our learning target is. It's actually just saying, can I use equations to solve for my unknown angles? All right. So for D, which one matches D? What number matches D?
3.
3. You are absolutely correct.
Oh, I'm so smart.
Yes, you are. All right, so again, we will continue. We're going to write and solve equations to find unknown angles. So angles represented by what? A variable. And I'm going to go over real quick here. I'm going to define, remember, a vertical angle is exactly the same. This complementary is when two angles equal what? 90 degrees. And supplementary is when two angles
180.
equal, exactly.
0. No, 180.
Oh, you're thinking of slope. I like that. You were thinking of slope, yes. But as far as angles, it's 180. So, this is our first problem on our paper. So make sure you have your paper. Go to this problem right here. And why I asked you to use this protractor is just to kind of help you. Because sometimes I know our brains are just wired to think of 180 has to be a straight line like this. But get this. I can do 180 kind of like that, right? So it would be 5x plus 25 plus what?
4W.
Minus 10 should all equal what?
180.
180. Okay, I can also do like this. These two angles, 30 plus y, should equal what?
30.
No,
180.
180.
180.
Yes. All right, so here.
Wait, but why is 1?
What we're going to ask is 30 plus y should equal 180. So let's do it. That one is the most obvious. Do you guys understand? I'm going to do a different color right here.
Okay, so y is 60.
No, we're going to stop for it, Raj. This part right here. This should equal what? 180. So go ahead. Y plus 30 equals 180.
So will that be divided?
Well, listen here. Remember, it's been a while since we did equations, but look over here. Remember, what I do to one side, I have to do it to the
I didn't.
Okay. Right here, guys. Look over here. Eyes forward. What I do to one side, I have to do it to the. Okay, and we're gonna remember the steps. We're gonna undo addition, subtraction, and then we're gonna undo multiplication and or division. Yes. What's our first step when we're solving a?
Parentheses.
No, that's for PEMDAS. But we're solving an equation. What's my first step?
Slope.
No. Let's raise our hand.
180.
Thank you, Mia, for waiting. Undefined. You guys think about slope. When I'm solving for a multi-step equation, My first step is to draw a line on the equal sign.
Oh, you subtract it by those
Exactly, exactly, London. And London said it. Then you're going to subtract 30 from both sides. So let's go ahead and do y minus, 180 minus 30. Yes, London.
150.
150. And make sure, when we write 150, what is the unit measurement, Lucas? What are we going to do? That little circle, which means degrees. Like this. Oops.
Wait, I didn't, oh, never mind.
So y equals 150 degrees. Okay. This is a one-step problem. Now let's go ahead and we're going to try to do a two-step problem. Because that's part of our I can statement, is understanding how we can set up a two-step problem to solve an equation. And look guys, I want to show you guys something. I need all eyes here. Just stop writing for a minute. I can do it like this. That could be my 180. This could be my 180. This could be my 180. As long as it's a straight line. You guys can kind of think about it in different terms, all right? So let's go ahead and erase all this. I want to solve 25. Oh, we did y. Okay, so if this is y, I'm going to go ahead and put 150 right here, guys. 150 degrees. Okay. So now, I want to solve this part right here. Okay, you see how this and this are also what? What kind of angles are they? Remember?
180, 90,
Let's not guess, I want to do
Vertical.
That's the word I want to see.
360.
No vertical.
360 is a full circle. Let's, right here, so vertical. So if I know that this y is 150, shouldn't 25 plus 5x also be 150?
Yes.
Yes, so let's set up our second equation. 25 plus 5x equals 150. Where did I get the 150? Because we solved for our y. Because this and this are what kind of angles?
Vertical.
Vertical. And remember how to remember vertical? By this V right here. Or remember when we did our multi-step equations, our first step is to draw a line down the
Middle.
Yeah, exactly. Second step is to do what?
Subtract.
Subtract what from both sides?
5. 25.
25, because 5x means 5 multiplied. You cannot, because remember our variable has COVID. We want to treat it like it's nasty. You got to be left alone. Minus 25. So 5x equals 150 minus 25. Yes, Linda?
125.
125. Now I'm down to my very last step. And I want you guys to think about this. 5x means 5 times x. What's the opposite, Caleb, of multiply? What is it?
Division.
You are absolutely correct. So we're going to divide both sides by 5. Everybody needs to be putting that in your calculator.
I just missed my.
25.
25. 25, what we're going to say? 25
X.
degrees.
Wait, oh.
Well, x equals 25. But you know what the number one, what do you think the number one mistake, Mateus?
Oh.
For this, if I tell you find this angle right here, what do you think, oops, let me.
They're gonna put 150.
They're gonna put 150, but if it says 5x, that means what do I have to replace the x with?
25.
Exactly, so 5x means 5 times 25. Go ahead, put 5 times 25 in your calculators.
Wait, 25.
Guys, please, let's make sure that we're raising our hands. Thank you, Aiden. Go ahead, no, Aiden. Please do not shout out the answer. And let's give a minute so that people have opportunity to put that in their calculators. 5 times 25.
Yeah, guys, I respect 120 like I do.
So that is the number one mistake that students forgetting to input the x, put it back into that equation. All right. I'm gonna do this last problem together and then we're going to break away into groups. Alright, it says solve for unknown angle measures. That is what the whole point of our I can statement today is, solving for unknown measures. Remember, I told you guys we have different kinds of angles. This is what kind of angle is this?
A right.
A right angle.
90.
Which is equal to 90 degrees, exactly. Look here. So in the past, you know how we did solving multi-step equations? And now we're learning about angles, so now we're adding those two. So these two should equal to what? When I add these two, it should equal to what? We already said it.
Right.
Which is equal to, Caleb said it, 90 degrees. All right, so let's set up our equation. Let's set up our equation first. So here we have 2x minus 4 plus x plus 7 equals to what? Equals what? We just identify what kind of angle this is,
Right angles, 90
which
degrees.
equals to 90 degrees. Remember, that's our whole goal today is can I set up an equation to solve for an unknown angle? All right, before we do that, remember guys, we did this. That's what we're gonna break away in our groups that we did combining like terms, right? That means things, remember that it had to be similar for them to get married. So what do we have here that is similar, and we can do in different shapes to kind of visualize it, that I can combine before I solve for my x? What do I have? I have, this is a 2x, right? Let me do it in a different color.
And x. Oh, 2x and x.
That's right, yeah.
And then 4 and
Okay, let's do it one at a time. Who can get married? Who can get married?
2x and x.
And x. And remember what Beyonce said, we take the sign to the
left.
to the left. So now 2x plus x, or the 2 plus 1 is
2 plus 1?
Yeah.
3.
2 plus
3x. 2 plus 1.
3.
3. And then we have here, I'm going to do a different color, take the sign to the left, minus negative 4 plus 7. What is negative 4 plus 7?
Positive 3.
Positive 3 equals 90.
I have 5.
Negative 4.
Plus. Oh, my bad.
What mistake did you just, we can learn from it?
I actually put 9.
Okay, that happens a lot. Okay, now, remember our scale. I'm gonna draw my line on down the middle. And then I'm gonna undo addition and or subtraction. Aiden, so I see that spark, what is it? My mathematician?
3 minus.
We're gonna subtract 3 on,
Subtract 3 on both sides.
exactly, to keep that equation balanced. So 3x equals 90 minus 3, go ahead, put it in your calculators.
90 minus 3 is...
Let's go, wait, hold on. I love how London has her hand up. Yes.
97. 98.
No, let's put it in your calculator.
96.
No, let's not guess.
Calculator.
Use your calculator.
87.
No, go ahead, London.
87.
87.
Wait, hold on, 90?
It's not 90 plus 3, it's 90 minus 3.
Oh, I thought of 100.
Okay. So now, my last and final step. 3x means 3 times x. What is the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Exactly. So,
We got to.
Caleb, do you have the final answer? What is it?
X equals
29 what?
Degree.
Yeah. Make sure in math, guys, we are always using our symbols, our units, because I don't know if that's pounds, kilometers. We found our x, and once you find your x, remember that's our I can say that if you can solve for that unknown angle, then you can figure out, determine the other two. So here we have measurement of angle BCD. BCD, this is the vertex right here. So this angle right here, which is 2x minus 4. All I have to do, can somebody tell me what's my next step here? If I know what x is and I'm trying to find, and I know that BCD is 2x minus 4, Caleb, what's my next step?
Well, what I'm gonna do is that might count then.
No, try it. If we don't make mistakes, we're not learning. Come on.
Shoot.
Should I give you kind of a hint? Do you want a little bit of a hint?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know it's 2x minus 4, and I know x is 29. What do you think I can do right here?
Just do the
The x, okay, so this is 2x minus 4, and I know x equals 29. What do I need to do is,
Oh, just,
ins-
the x equals 29.
yeah, so replace that x with 29. 2 times 29 minus 4. That is all you have to do.
2 times 29 minus 4.
Yes. That's all you have to do. Yeah, put it in. And I want you to put 2x minus 4 and then replace that x with 29. Make sure you're writing in your guided notes. Yes,
54?
54? No,
No.
that's right. 2 times 29 minus 4. Try again. Make sure you clear out your memory.
Let me handle this.
You see where it says the x, we're replacing the x with 29, so 2 times 29
Watch
minus
how the pros do.
Oh, wait, it's 54
54 what?
degrees.
Exactly.
Wait, didn't I already say that?
I said something else.
Actually, I'm the best at 4.
Wait,
What'd you get?
well, I did the whole problem.
No, all I want you to do is with 2x minus 4, all you're doing is you're putting it into your calculator like right here. 2 times 29 minus 4.
Oh, wait, I did say, I just didn't say degrees because I did it like this. at
Okay, good. Make sure that we're always using that terminology, degrees. And this last one is x, they're asking for angle DCA. So DCA is right here, DCA. And what does that stand for? That stands for x plus 7. So what am I gonna do now with my x? If I know what x is, I'm going to,
54.
what am I gonna do? Replace my x with what?
29.
Exactly, so it's just 29 plus 7.
Is that addition or like a minus sign?
Where?
29
Plus 7, it's just adding, we're adding. Mia,
We're adding?
yes, we're adding.
Yeah, watch me handle this.
So that 29 plus 7 is 36.
36 what?
But degrees.
Why can't I ever answer?
Let's make sure that we're raising our hands, guys. 36 degrees.
36 degrees.
Okay, perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna be giving you, we're gonna turn this in at the end of class, and see if you can go ahead. And I'm gonna have groups, you guys working in little groups. Joshua and Mateus, you guys are gonna be working on completing the back of, and Mia, the back of this,
Me or her?
no, Mia. And I'm gonna have Lucas, Aiden, and Leah come to the front. Bring your papers and your calculators. And I need you guys to be working on. So you guys need to be working on this.
Would that
You mean
be
for the
great?
small No, yeah, just small. Lucas, Mia, and who else did I call? And Aiden, I'm sorry,
Wait,
honey.
you said mine. You said you.
Leah,
Oh,
Leah, yes. Come on. We're gonna be working on combining our like terms up here.
do I have to put my paper on it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait.
Wait, do we have, like after that, you're just working partners?
Yeah, once you're done with, well, this one I want you working individually, then you work apart.
Wait, what was? This is.
Is it because I'm too dumb?
This
Yes,
is my recommendation.
yes. And the rest of you guys, we're gonna be doing different activities.
She said I got
More, yeah, instructions, okay.
We are all coming in at a different time.
All right.
I'm too cool.
And remember, I want you guys to think about what should I do first when I'm solving a multi-step equation. I want you to think of those.
What? I thought you said put it away.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm
You
good.
misunderstood? Okay,
What?
all right, guys, here, we're gonna be working on, I want you, I'm gonna give you this. I want you to combine these like, you're not solving, you're just combining, so you're putting negative.
Watch me finish this in 30 seconds. Wait, do I need my calculator? Oh,
Stay focused, stay focused.
Let's stay focused, mathematicians. Here, you're gonna use these.
It's sleeping.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hey, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, if I'm like, what,
That means you're.
do I do this?
Yes. so it's gonna be negative x. So go ahead, write that down.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I need you to do negative. Write it down here. Write it down. Yes. Remember, now remember, I want you guys to think about, another thing to think about, what we are combining like terms. Who is getting married? Who is being left out? Who has COVID? I want to think about these kind of questions. So here, you're gonna read.
I did it. Wait, how do I do this?
Is it negative x? Okay, so this is what we're combining like terms. We're doing 7 plus 1, so it's gonna be 8 minus what?
2.
2. I need you to write it down. So put
Alright, set the
negative
timer,
x.
I'm gonna finish this in 30 seconds.
You need to put negative x. Where? No, negative x, because we're combining this like term.
Write the equal sign. So write the equal sign. What
London,
does it equal to?
I need you to
What is this angle?
Yes, sir.
I want to eat.
So
Finish,
equal
is
sign.
that how I do it?
Oh,
Equal.
Yes.
That's
Perfect.
equal
Finish
sign.
it in less than 30 seconds, guys.
okay, so fix
So
what?
good for you.
Then you're going to
And you want cookies?
Okay, but
I need us to stay on task, please.
so like, and then just like,
Here, I
now
want you to
you're
work on this one. I
combine
want you to work on this one.
Oh, this is so easy. You know, back in the days, they used to call me the math shop. Just,
Okay.
I need us to stay on task, please.
What information?
I got it, Miss D.
So it's negative 5. Mathematicians, I need us to stay on task. And then we'll grab it. Yes, and then so we're gonna put 9 and then have it. So you have negative 10. Okay, now here.
Okay. First because I got it.
What else do you know about these?
Oh, there. I did it.
So this is gonna be 3 plus 10.
How do I?
I'm sorry, negative 7, what did you did negative 7 minus 4 in your calculators?
No, you said you put the in and then I thought we.
No, we're not solving for this, this is just to teach us how to combine, so you're putting negative 7 minus 4. Negative 7 minus 4.
Oh, I thought, I didn't know it was an negative.
Yeah, always, because remember, we're gonna take the sign too. Leah just brought something up to remember. Remember what Beyonce said, when we're combining our like terms, we're going to the left. So make sure that we're taking that sign to the left.
I think your card is ruined because it's not the marker. Wait, I've seen this thing on TikTok. I'm helping you with the thing. It's on TikTok where it's like, you haven't.
But yes, I need you to stay focused.
Can I have a present?
I need you to do.
I don't have a pencil.
Yes, so it's gonna be negative 5
I
minus,
don't mean like the X.
yes, so that means it'll be, no, but this is negative 5. We're gonna do negative 5 minus 1, which gives us what? Negative 6.
You have to sharpen it.
X. Don't give it to me right here.
Do I say 7 X for this?
You can only combine if they're the same, so 5x plus x, so 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Right?
5 plus 1 is 6.
So this is 6x plus what?
7.
7. You cannot add an x right here, so 6x plus 7. Perfect.
Oh, I
Yes, you go ahead and do this one. Make sure that we're working on task.
Yes,
And now solve the equation.
okay, so since I'm done now.
Okay, so this one, yeah, you can get
This
that
one's
one.
confusing.
Okay, so maybe Leah can help you here. So we know that this is negative x is also the same thing as negative.
I have to help it?
Maybe let's brainstorm together. Negative x right here. So negative 5x minus x, so it's negative 5 minus 1. So this is what you put in your calculator, negative 5 minus 1. So go ahead, both of you guys put negative 5 minus 1.
It's
Remember.
negative 6. Wait. Yeah, negative 1.
Okay, so -6 what?
X.
X, perfect. Yes.
See, I don't even need a calculator, I'm too
I
smart.
know, but I want you guys to double check, yes,
Don't go so bad.
yes, you may. Okay, no, you are good. You guys may go. Okay, you guys now can work on, your worksheets. Shania and Joshua, let's come up for a second.
What are yours? I just everything.
You can leave, just come up, I wanna come over and go over this little activity with y'all. And make sure, guys, in about a minute, you're gonna write your exit ticket. What is it about the learning statement that you are unable to do? When we're saying solve for that unknown angle, are you able to solve? Are you able to identify angles?
You really hurt my feelings.
Okay, guys. Solve the equation with that. Make sure you start working on your exit tickets.
Hey,
I gave it to you.
but guys, do you think
You should have one. If not, you can write it on your worksheet. No. Guys, you see how like this, we're combining, you can only combine things that can get married. Leah, let's stay focused, please.
It's not just me.
All right, -4 plus 1.
Wait, you actually think I'm dumb?
So go ahead and figure it out. Lucas,
My bad.
What do you know about these two?
let's stay focused.
I think
The expectation is that you are working quietly.
Oh,
-4 plus 10. So is it 6
go one up to
and
50.
9?
Both of them make 180. So now we're not here.
Look at, Caleb, I need you to start working on your exit ticket. Mateus, work on your exit ticket. Tell me, how do you feel about the work, that, because everybody had different activities. Tell me what you felt about the I can. Are you able to use multi-step equations?
Can I get that picture?
Yes, 1 second. So this one, look, guys, we have an X and an X. And we combine them together. This is kind of like a 1 and a 1 here. So 1x plus 1x, so 1 plus 1 is
2x.
okay, so it's 2x. And we can't solve it further than that. We're here. This one right here. This is 2n, 2 minus 6. So this is what you put in your calculator, 2 minus 6. Lucas, make sure that you're working on your exit ticket.
Anywhere here?
You can write it on your worksheet. You just -4, -4 what? N, -4n is our n, so make sure that you have that negative sign. You can only combine it if it has the same one. No, so they can only get married there. Just, what you're answering is, am I able to do this on my own? How do I feel about this? Do I need a little bit of help? Do I need some guided notes? Do I need, like, if I give you guys a formative tomorrow, how would you feel? Lucas, I need you, you don't have, ask Ms. P if she has one for you. Wait. So this is the last one before we start packing up. We have -3 minus 6. So what are you gonna do? -3 minus 6 in our calculators. -9 what? -9, yep, that is correct. All right, guys, you can start, make sure that you put your green paper in the folders. And be prepared tomorrow, we're still gonna talk about our angles, our supplementary angles, our complementary angles. Make sure you put your calculators away, please, and turn in your tickets in here. Yes. You can put your protractors right here.
Bro, my tears.
Why are we on left? Who else doesn't have it?
Who else doesn't, I need you guys, Mateus.
You don't know.
You did, never mind. I was gonna tell you.
This is for you
That's already.
and Ada.
What do you think about
Make
this?
sure you guys are clean enough, make sure that you put your
You already
papers back
wrote
into your.
And you turn it into this,
Good.
I wrote on my picture because you said I can.
but this is your exit ticket. You need to write it down and put it back there.
Okay, let me write the one I wrote on.
What's today?
The
All right, guys. Be careful. Make sure you turn back your protractors, make sure you put away your calculators.
They have to do that.
Yeah, today is the 18th.
And then they have to go.
Make sure that you are putting away your calculators.
Miss D, what's my exit ticket?